It's me, VXL, back here. I am back, and I'm better than ever. I had a long month, off, but now I'm back. I'm back to play stuff. I shall play. But yeah, I'm going to be doing videos with, Squid Fighter, and yeah, we're going to be, working together. Well, I'm gonna be trying to, but we're going to be, working, and we are going to be doing, some stuff on Black Ops 2 and stuff, some crazy crap. So yeah, if you don't know who I am VXL. I am back from a long month. So yeah, I'm back. If you don't know me, yeah, I'm just look up like different, like, if you don't. Hello, I'm VXL. I'm back here. If you don't already know me, just ask someone ask Squid Fighter 3, which is one of my friends. But I'm back from a long 3-week or month, or 2 months. But I'm back. I'm going to be doing some stuff that might be some crazy crap, but me and Squid Fighter will be probably playing Black Ops 2 and a bunch of stuff. So yeah, bye. I am VXL, and I'm signing out. Bye.